may please the question. Against the order dated, my lord, 22/10/21, my lord, by which the lauded cat, my lord, has lodged OA directing the petition.
There is a cat order.
Cat order is, my lord, at Annexure 8, impugned order dated 22/10, after page 68, my lord, that is the impugned order.
28.
After page 68, that is the impugned order, my lord.
Your application is belated? Delayed?
No, my lord.
No, your father died in 2004.
Yes. At that time,
4/7/2004.
yes.
At that time, he was a minor. Where is the provision that in the event of minor, he is entitled to seek compassionate appointment as and when he attains major? Where is the provision?
My lord, on the Apex Civil Appeal number 988 of
Don't give all those things. Show us the scheme which provides that in the event of a minor legal heir of the deceased employee is entitled to make compassionate appointment as and when he attains major.
my lord, annexure A5, A5 not. A4, page 31 of counter affidavit. My page 31 of my counter affidavit, annexure A4.
Which is the relevant portion? No, this is 2023. We want only prior to 2004. What is the scheme existing? You have produced.
My lord,
Where is that?
that is an petition, my lord.
Annexure 1 to
Annexure 1 of my writ petition, my lord. That is on page. Annexure 1, page 21, my lord.
no. This 92 scheme is still existing.
No, 92 is scheme.
2004.
Yes, no, after 2092 scheme,
Madam, as on 2004,
my lord,
this 2/1/1992 scheme was existing.
my lord. And after it was,
Where have you pleaded?
yes, my lord. At page 4, my lord, that the petitioner firmly humbly submit Chief Personal Eastern Railway Calcutta, sir, dated 22/1/92, issued by the Railway Board, while it is later dated 21/4/1/92, on the subject of appointing on the compassionate ground cases of the second wife and her wards. My lord, that is annexure 1. It would clear that the Railway Board has clarified that the appointment of the wards of the second wife shall not be considered unless the administration has permitted the second marriage of the ex-employee, taking into account the personal law, etc. Clarified that the second marriage is not permissible, is invariable, clarified in the terms of condition advised in the offer of the initial appointment, and therefore it was advised.
Petitioner is respondent is son of second wife.
Second wife, at that time and after but on 24/1/92, that was the scheme. Thereafter, on 30/12/19, the scheme has been revised. That is not
1/12/2019.
19. This is not
Till
applicable.
then, 92 was existing.
Yes, my lord. Only that is the only point, my lord.
But you have produced only one page, this annexure one.
However, thereafter, my lord,
No, where are the criteria for the purpose of appointment on compassionate ground?
that is clearly mentioned, my lord, that it is clarified that in the case of the in page 22, my lord, of my petition, that it is clarified in case of the employee dying in hardness excess, having more than one widow along with the children born to the second wife, while settlement dues may be shared by both the widows due to the court orders or otherwise. To the second widow and her children are not to be considered unless the administration has permitted the second marriage or on special circumstances, taking into account the personal term, etc. The fact that the second marriage is not permissible is available clarified in the terms and conditions advised in the offer of initial appointment. This may be kept in view that the cases compulsory appointed to the second widow or her wards need not to be forwarded to any railway board.
Hang on, 2000.
Annexure 5, my lord, page 28, dated 7/1/92, letter is effective from the date of the issuance, that is 30/12/19 only. And he has died on 4/7/2004, my lord.
2004 appointed in the year 2020. That can't be. You don't have case, sir.
Kindly see, my lord, para.
Sir, first of all, how do you overcome delay? Cause of action accrued in 2004. Department cannot wait.
That time, minor, he was minor one.
Therefore, on that ground, we are going to reject. The other ground is 2019 circular cannot be applicable to such of those applications made in the year 2000. First application is made in which year?
All the questions have been replied.
2004.
Para 5, may I kindly see, sir. Para
I have
5,
seen it.
para 5 decided by.
That is contrary to Supreme Court decision.
My lord,
On both count, matter is covered by Supreme Court. On the ground of delay, as well as the later circular or scheme is not applicable to such of those persons who claim compassionate appointment prior to introduction of new scheme. They are bound by old scheme. Under the old scheme, you have no business. You have no claim. That's all.
my lord, in the case of Triveni Devi, decided by this honorable court, may I kindly see.
Now we are going to decide with reference to Supreme Court decision.
Supreme Court, my lord. This is the latest one.
They are not clear. Yes, taken.
Some time may kindly be given.
Don't waste court time Better concentrate on some other case. Stay on.
Because only two sons are there.
Huh?
The mother has also died. They are,
Fine, sir, the sympathy is not before this court. Sympathy is before the Union of India. We are only interpreting law. Sympathy could be extended in the absence of any law. Our hands are tied by virtue of judicial pronouncements.
at that time, he was minor.
All right, sir, we'll consider. What is the date of first application? This Union of India being
27,
not furnished dates and events.
11, 17, when he became, just after becoming mayor.
In 18, he has once furnished.
Huh?
2018, he had first representation.
No.
First representation is
27, 11, 17.
17.
for list of dates events does not contain anything. Sir, being representing Union of India,
My lord.
you are not given the dates and events properly. And railway board amendment scheme and some communication and judgment. What is the facts of the case? Take down in the instant petition, petitioner Union of India and others have assailed the order of the CAT. Dated 22/10/2021, passed in OA number 050/00376 of 2020, along with with MA/050/00143 of 2020. Later, Chandradev Mandal, who was an ex-trackman under PWI/Bamlapur of Malda Division/Eastern Railway, Kolkata, and resident of village Sibdi, Hazra, from our district Lakhisarai, from our state of Bihar. He died
My lord, latest,
4/7/2004.
excuse my lord, latest circular railway board का है page 32 में kindly see. Clearly, it is written that within 2 years of attaining majority, where the case
Sir, latest circular is not applicable to your case. That is what Supreme Court has held. Died on 4/7/2004. He had married two ladies. First wife, Indra Devi, and she had died on 8/11/2000. married for the second time with Usha Devi, alias Sia Devi, applicant number 1 before the CAT, Central Administrative, for short CAT. And second applicant, her son, that's Sonu Kumar. Both the applicants filed application seeking compassionate appointment to second applicant, that's Sonu Kumar. Such application was filed, application / representation to GM, General Manager, Eastern Railway and DRM, Malda Division on 27/11/2017. On this note that Sonu Kumar, second applicant, attained major wisdom. The tribunal proceeded to allow the application while giving the following direction on page 10, para 17 instruct. Feeling agreed and dissatisfied with the order of the CAT dated present filed. Next file and counsel for the petitioner submitted. There is a delay and latches on the part of the respondents in seeking compassionate appointment in the year 2017 with reference to death of deceased Chandradev Mandal, ex-trackman in the year on 4/7/2004. It is further submitted that compassionate appointment was governed by scheme of the dated 2/1/1992 Annexure A series full stop. 1992 scheme of compassionate appointment was in vogue till 2019, till 31/12/2019. Full stop. 1992 scheme do not provide for compassionate appointment to children of second wife of the deceased employee. On the other hand, scheme issued on 31/12/2019 provides for compassionate appointment to children of second wife. The grievance of the respondent Sonu Kumar was required to be considered with reference to 1992 scheme, with reference to date of his father, with reference to the fact that his father died on 4/7/2004 and the 1992 scheme was existing in the eye of law till 30th 30th December 2019. Therefore, the tribunal has committed error in applying the later compassionate appointment scheme, and so also not taken note of the delay and latches in seeking compassionate appointment. Per control and counsel for the respondent resisted the aforesaid contentions and supported the order of the CAT dated 22/10/2021 passed in OA number 376 of 2020. It is further submitted that as on the date of death of the deceased Chandradev Mandal, ex-trackman Sonu Kumar was a minor. Therefore, he could not make an application. Therefore, he could not make application for compassionate appointment, and he had submitted application for compassionate appointment as and when he attains major in the year 2017. Further, there is no infirmity in the order of the CAT insofar as applying the later compassionate appointment scheme issued on 31/12/2019 to the extent that children of a second wife are entitled to compassionate appointment. Heard the land councils for the respective parties. Undisputed facts are that deceased Chandradev Mandal, who was an ex-trackman, died on 4/7/2004 when he was in service to his term. He had married Srimati Indira Devi and she was issueless and died on 8/11/2000 to his term. Consequently, deceased married for the second time with Usha Devi alias Sia Devi. She gave birth to two sons. One of the son is Sonu Kumar dash responsible to Mr. Deceased employee died on 4/7/2004. Mr. Sonu Kumar and another son were minors as on 4/7/2004, the date on which deceased employee died. Therefore, they waited till attainment of major insofar as Sonu Kumar. It is learned that he has attained major in the year 2017. In the result, representation was submitted on 27/11/2014 seeking for compassionate appointment. Thereafter, certain correspondence have been made with the petitioners dash officials in not extending the relief sought by the respondents. They were compelled to approve filing the OA 376 of 2020. Their OA and the MA were allowed on 22/10/2021. Thus, the petitioners dash Union of India and others presented this writ petition. Core issue involved in the present list is whether the second respondent Sonu Kumar is entitled to compassionate appointment or not. Sonu Kumar's father, late Chandradev Mandal, extractman, died on 4/7/2004. And for the first time, application was submitted for compassionate appointment on 27/11/2017. Obviously, for the reason that Sonu Kumar was a minor as on 4/7/2004. Right to claim compassionate appointment is not a fundamental right as held by the Appeals Court in umpteen number of cases. It is only a social legislation to meet immediate harness in the family. In the present case, the respondent's family survived from 4/7/2004 to 27/11/2017. Therefore, there is no need of the hardness in the family is not attracted as on 27/11/2017, the date on which representation has been made for compassionate appointment. Next paragraph. The tribunal has committed error in applying the subsequent scheme issued on 31/12/2019 in respect of application dated 27/11/2017, read with the deceased employee died on 4/7/2004. On both the dates, the existing scheme of compassionate appointment is in the year 1992. The 1992 scheme of compassionate appointment do not provide for compassionate appointment to children of a second wife. For the first time, children of the second wife were permitted to claim compassionate appointment was introduced on 31/12/2019. Therefore, the subsequent scheme for compassionate appointment is not attracted insofar as the Sonu Kumar case is concerned, with reference to date of death of his father on 4/7/2004, read with the date of representation for compassionate appointment on 27/11/2017. Next by Appeals Court. A recent decision elaborately considered how compassionate appointment is required to be. Provided in the case of so and so, the report. Next paragraph. Similarly, Appeals Court in the case of so and so held that scheme of compassionate appointment is required to be informed with reference to date of cause of action, like date of death of employee, read with the application for compassionate appointment, in which it is held that as on the date of death, read with the date of application, is relevant for the purpose of invoking relevant scheme. Therefore, the tribunal has committed error in not noticing the aforementioned judicial pronouncement. Next paragraph. These facts and circumstances, the petitioners have made out a prima facie case so as to interfere with the CIT order dated 10/2021, passed with the MA number so and so. and it is set aside. In the result, original application filed by the respondent Usha Devi and Sonu Kumar stands rejected.